So this is the third time. I have a parasitic draw on my battery for the van. I don't know what it is. I can't find it. I'm not sure how to find it. So in order to fix that, what I did is I have a little solar pad that plugs into the cigarette lighter right there. And that's what keeps the battery at full charge all the time when it's just sitting. But I also have a switch right here that is for the backup camera. And let me shut it off. When I park the van and I forget to turn the backup camera off, it kills the battery. Even though I had the solar panel plugged in, we had 2 feet of snow and the snow was on the windshield. So like I said again, I have a dead battery. I hope I didn't ruin it. The battery's only a year old. So I'm charging it now, and I'm hoping that I can get the van started again. Just an update on how I can be incompetent once in a while. So update, the 50-year-old battery charger I have wouldn't charge a battery, kept kicking out. I've been using it for a long time and knew it was on its last leg. So I went down and I had to buy a brand new battery charger. So when I put it on there and put it on 12 volt 10 amp, it went to recondition. So my battery had gone down to 8.7 volts. I'm not sure if it's destroyed. The battery's only 2 years old. I hope not. It's very expensive. So the saga continues. So it's the next day. I went out and checked my battery charger and it says the battery's bad. It's a Duralast battery and supposed to have a 4-year warranty. So I'm back here at AutoZone. I'm almost positive this is where I bought it. I'm gonna go inside now and see if they give me good news. Okay, that was quick and painless. Matter of fact, the battery was only a 1.5 years old and they replaced it. I was in and out of there in 3 minutes. I got the brand new battery, you can see right there. I'm gonna run in the house and get my big camera so I could do a time lapse, putting this back together because we don't want any bad words on YouTube. You'll see right here, I'm really struggling on this back side. There's a couple of bolts that go all the way down on a little plastic keeper to keep the batteries in one spot. Super hard to see, very difficult to get at, and then you have to line up the screws. So I struggled with that quite a while, a lot longer than what the video actually is. But I cut that out. Everything's put back nice and neat. Van's all good. That was a kind of a pain over 2 days, but didn't cost anything. So now we're back on the road. Like and subscribe for more van maintenance when we're not traveling videos.